Hey, what if I told you that the traditional advice on saving money is actually keeping you totally broke? You skip your morning coffee, clip a few coupons, but at the end of the month, your bank account remains empty. The real problem is not your daily coffee habit. It is the invisible systemic traps designed to drain your hard-earned income constantly. This happens globally because society normalizes spending every single dollar you make. We are programmed to consume, not to build wealth. The first major cause keeping you broke is lifestyle creep. As your income slowly increases, your expenses naturally expand to match. You get a raise, and suddenly your old car feels inadequate. You upgrade, locking your future income into another depreciating liability. If you ignore this, you will be stuck on the hamster wheel forever. Earning more will never actually equal having more. The ultimate fix is freezing your current lifestyle. You must learn to artificially cap your expenses regardless of any future promotions. When you get a raise or bonus, pretend it never happened. Route all that new extra cash directly into your savings. Calculate your bare minimum survival number today. Commit to banking every single dollar you earn above that specific baseline amount immediately. The second cause draining your wealth is the convenience trap. We constantly trade our hard-earned money to save a little time. If you continue outsourcing your daily life, your savings rate will completely collapse. Convenience is the ultimate silent killer of wealth. Ordering food delivery costs twice as much as cooking. You are essentially paying a massive premium just for avoiding basic effort. The powerful solution is aggressively eliminating unnecessary convenience fees. You must reclaim your time and energy to manage your own life. Spend 2 hours every Sunday preparing your meals for the week. This simple habit completely removes the temptation of expensive delivery. Delete every single food delivery application from your phone right now. Force yourself to cook meals using only your existing groceries. The third major wealth destroyer is invisible subscription bleed. Companies purposefully design recurring charges because they know you will forget them. Most people waste hundreds of dollars every month on digital services, gym memberships, and streaming platforms they do not actively use. Ignoring this means you are literally working hours every single month just to fund digital services you do not even remember. The solution is implementing a ruthless monthly subscription audit. You need to forcefully sever any financial ties that drain your accounts. Go through your last 2 bank statements line by line. Identify every single recurring monthly charge and evaluate its true value. Keep only the absolute essentials. The ones that bring you real value. The fourth trap is overspending on the big 3 expenses. Housing, transportation, and groceries consume the vast majority of your income. Financing a brand new vehicle or renting a luxury apartment severely limits your ability to save any meaningful amount of money. If you overextend on these primary expenses, you are mathematically guaranteed to stay broke. There will be nothing left to save. The key solution is aggressively downsizing your largest fixed costs. Optimization here provides the biggest possible boost to your savings rate.
Trading in an expensive financed car for a reliable used vehicle instantly frees up hundreds of dollars in your monthly budget.
Negotiate your rent, look for cheaper housing alternatives, or sell your financed car within the next 30 days to maximize savings. The fifth cause keeping your savings low is emotional spending. We use retail therapy to cope with modern stress and anxiety. You have a terrible day at work, so you immediately buy something online just to feel a quick burst of dopamine. The ultimate fix is implementing a mandatory cooling off period. You must consciously separate your sudden emotions from your purchasing decisions. Whenever you feel the urge to buy a non-essential item, force yourself to wait exactly 48 hours before completing the transaction. Create a digital wish list for impulse desires today. Only purchase items if you still genuinely want them after 2 full weeks. The final trap is relying entirely on manual willpower. Trying to save whatever is left over at the end never works. Human nature always finds a way to spend available cash. If the money sits in your checking account, it gets spent. Available cash always gets spent quickly. If you do not automate the process, your savings will always take a backseat to your immediate, impulsive daily spending desires. Automating your entire wealth building system is the absolute best solution. You must relentlessly pay yourself first before any bills are paid. Set up an automatic transfer on your payday. Move your target savings amount immediately into an entirely separate, hard-to-access bank account. Log into your banking portal right now. Schedule an automatic recurring transfer of 20% of your paycheck into dedicated savings.
Let us quickly recap the master protocol for aggressive wealth building. Follow these steps strictly if you want to maximize savings.
First, artificially freeze your lifestyle to combat wealth-destroying income creep. Second, completely eliminate the expensive daily convenience trap from your life. Third, ruthlessly audit and cancel your invisible digital subscription bleeds. Fourth, aggressively downsize your massive fixed costs on housing and transportation. Fifth, enforce a strict waiting period to kill emotional spending. Sixth, fully automate your savings so willpower is completely removed forever. Building incredible wealth is not about luck or massive salaries. It is about rigorous discipline and optimizing every single dollar earned. Here is a quick bonus tip. Track your net worth weekly. Watching that number grow becomes a highly addictive psychological game.
If you found these aggressive saving strategies valuable today, share this video with one friend who needs a financial wake-up call. Subscribe to Quill, a new money secret every week to build your wealth. See you soon.